Greetings with peace, viewers. Welcome back to our channel. We're constantly exploring the most effective ways to live a healthy and balanced life. In today's video, we're diving into the enchanting world of yoga and uncovering its astonishing health benefits. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or a beginner looking to start your wellness journey, this video is for you. So, let's roll out our mats and get ready to revitalize our bodies and minds with the power of yoga. Number 1. Enhance flexibility. One of the most cited reasons people turn to yoga is to increase flexibility. Yoga offers a range of styles, from high intensity to gentle flows, all of which contribute to improved flexibility. In fact, even the lowest intensity styles have been proven to enhance flexibility. So, get ready to loosen up those tight muscles and discover a newfound sense of freedom in your movements. Number 2. Stress relief. Life can be overwhelmingly stressful, but fear not. Yoga is here to bring tranquility to your mind. Numerous studies have shown that practicing yoga effectively reduces stress levels. As we flow through the poses and connect with our breath, we cultivate a calm and peaceful state of mind. So, farewell to those stress-induced headaches and welcome a sense of serenity into your life. Number 3. Strength building. Yoga isn't just about flexibility, it also increases strength. Whether you're recovering from an injury, dealing with specific health conditions, or simply aiming to improve your overall strength, yoga has got your back. Research has shown its effectiveness in building strength among diverse populations. So, get ready to feel empowered as you witness your physical strength soar to new heights. Number 4. Anxiety reduction. Anxiety disorders are becoming increasingly common, but yoga offers a natural and effective alternative for managing anxiety. Several studies have suggested that yoga helps reduce symptoms of anxiety in individuals. Yoga asana, combined with calming techniques like yoga nidra, can significantly alleviate anxiety and bring a sense of peace to your mind. Number 5. Improved sleep. Are you tired of tossing and turning at night? Yoga might just be the solution to your sleep troubles. Research has shown that practicing yoga helps improve both sleep quality and duration. By combining physical exercise with mental relaxation, yoga provides the ideal conditions for a peaceful and rejuvenating sleep. So, farewell to sleepless nights and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Number 6. Boosts immunity. Yoga can also help you boost your immunity. Certain yoga postures, such as twists and inversions, stimulate the lymphatic system that helps to remove toxins from your body. This in turn can help to keep your immune system strong and healthy. Number 7. Improved bone health. As we age, preserving our bone health becomes increasingly important. The isometric contractions in yoga poses engage and strengthen our muscles, contributing to enhanced bone health. So, if you're looking to maintain strong bones and prevent age-related conditions like osteoporosis, yoga has got you covered. Number 8. Improves digestion. Yoga can also help to improve your digestion. Certain yoga poses can massage your digestive organs and improve blood flow to your gastrointestinal tract, helping to alleviate digestive problems such as constipation and bloating. Number 9. Lowers blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common health problem that can lead to serious health issues like stroke and heart disease. Yoga can help to lower your blood pressure by reducing stress, promoting relaxation, and improving circulation. Number 10. Weight management. For all the weight loss enthusiasts out there, yoga is your secret weapon. This ancient practice aids in weight management by combining physical activity, mindfulness, and stress reduction. Through a consistent yoga practice, you can enhance your body's metabolism, build lean muscle mass, and achieve a healthier weight. And there you have it, folks, the top 10 health benefits of yoga that you should know. Whether you are a health enthusiast or trying to lose weight, yoga can benefit you in many ways. So, make sure you include yoga in your daily routine and reap its numerous benefits. Embrace the beauty of this ancient practice and unlock a healthier, happier you. Until next time, keep shining and practicing yoga to nurture your mind, body, and soul. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. Thank you for watching.